Say hello to Ooni Fyra, the successor to Ooni 3, the award-winning portable pizza oven that has launched millions of pizzas worldwide. Building on our years of innovation and experience, Ooni Fyra is designed for ease of use and ultimate portability. Ooni Fyra streamlines wood-fired cooking, fired by wood pellets for a no-nonsense experience in pizzas with epic flavor. With Ooni Fyra, you can create truly great wood-fired pizza fast in any outdoor space. Ooni Fyra has a specially designed fuel tray and grate to ensure incredible fuel efficiency and optimal airflow. Like all Ooni pizza ovens, Ooni Fyra reaches up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius. That's the blazing heat needed for cooking authentic Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. The simple wood pellet hopper gravity feeds hardwood pellets right into the fire, so you get a longer-lasting burn with minimal maintenance. Just top up the fuel tray with pellets, light, and you're all set. You can be truly spontaneous with Ooni Fyra. It's ready to start cooking awesome pizza within 15 minutes. The built-in flame keeper maintains a robust fire and directs flames toward dishes as they cook, while the corduroy stone baking board locks in heat for perfectly cooked, crispy pizza bases. The oven body is insulated with ceramic fiber and finished with a powder coating, meaning superior heat retention and weather resistance. Pack and move Ooni Fyra with ease. This portable pizza oven weighs just 23 pounds or 10 kilos. And the chimney, pellet burner, flame keeper, and hopper are all detachable. Store them inside the oven and get going. We're a member of 1% for the planet, so ordering Ooni Fyra means you'll be helping to plant trees through our partnership with Eden Reforestation Projects. Ooni Fyra is fuss-free, fast, and flaming hot. Get ready to fire out amazing wood-fired pizza.
Ooni is our portable, powerful wood, charcoal and gas-fired pizza oven that reaches an incredible 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius and cooks authentic pizza in just 60 seconds. Say hello to Ooni. With Ooni, you can cook with real wood or charcoal for authentic wood-fired flavour, or switch it up for the ultimate convenience using our separate gas burner. In just 15 minutes, Ooni reaches 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the powerful heat needed for creating truly great pizza in just 60 seconds. You can also cook so much more, firing out delicious wood-fired meat, fish, nachos, wings and vegetable dishes too. Ooni is a step change in pizza oven innovation. Ooni includes a stainless steel body, ceramic fibre insulation, an extra thick 15mm stone baking board, and our patented flame keeper engineering. These features give Ooni optimum airflow, maximum heat retention and even heat distribution for longer, consistent cooking temperatures, delivering you an awesome outdoor cooking experience every time. Refueling is simple via the easy access rear fuel hatch. You can also manage the power of the fire easily using the chimney baffle, which acts as a throttle through making quick airflow adjustments. Simply open it up for maximum flames and temperatures, or close for lower temperatures for different pizza styles and longer, slower cooks. The perforated fuel tray drives off excess ash as it burns, and the ultra-high temperatures mean that Ooni is self-cleaning for minimal fuss. When we say Ooni is portable, we really mean it. The chimney is detachable and the legs are folding. Weighing just over 26 pounds or 12 kilos, that's about the same as a case of beer, so you can throw a pizza party in any outdoor space. Because at Ooni, we know it's so much more fun to focus on what really matters. cooking epic food with family and friends because everyone deserves great pizza.